The Vitara strikes the perfect balance of comfort, technology and safety. Comfort. Front ventilated seats and a 10-way powered driver seat ensure precise and effortless adjustment. Rear passengers enjoy segment first 40-20-40 split seats that slide by 160 millimeters and recline up to 20 degrees, offering supreme flexibility. Need more room? Adjust seats easily for added space. Technology. An efficient cell-to-pack battery configuration optimizes space, range and performance. The advanced thermal management system ensures seamless operation from snow to sand, with temperatures ranging from -30 degrees Celsius to 60 degrees Celsius, making it ideal for diverse Indian and global conditions. Safety. Standard 7 airbags deploy instantly to cushion the impact. The high tensile steel body and dedicated battery protection minimize the crash impact on the battery. Rigorous battery tests like nail penetration, compression and submersion ensure real-world reliability. The Vitara redefines electric driving with its advanced design and engineering, delivering unmatched comfort, technology and safety.